running the Philippines is to help children in the Philippines and raise awareness to the rest of the world. And I just encourage all of the kids here today to dream big, be brave. You can do anything in the world that you want to, and that's why I'm running this crazy distance. We are at 455 kilometres so far, so we have 555 to go. Yeah. And I really want to thank Jollibee as well for all of their support. They've been amazing. We're calling into all the stores and they represent everything that Project 1000 is about. So kids, go out in the world and do everything that you want to do. But thank you.
Ayun, palakpakan naman po natin si Ma'am Natalie po, mga Ma'am and Sir Kids. Maraming salamat, Ma'am Natalie. Thank you so much.